Hello, welcome to another TrunSHOP video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a bathroom vanity with wall units like this one. Okay, so as always, the first thing that we're going to do is go here on File and start a new project. And then we have our empty room. Okay, I'm not going to change the dimensions of the room because I'm just going to place our design in the corner and that's it. But if you want to change the size, it's up to you. Okay, remember, like, changing the size is always here. Okay, but for this project I don't need it. So let's start with the vanity. We have the dimension of 1000 of width, the height of 750 of height, and the depth of 450. Okay, then we drag and drop. It's there. Okay, and I'm just going to place it on this corner. I'm going to change the material already to match this one. That's the default one. So you're going to come here on the magnifying glass. I'm going to type 25 millimeters and search. It's this one. Okay, I'm just going to drag and drop it there. So everything is the same material. Nice. I'm going to apply one shelf in the middle because in this part I want drawer, and the top part will have two doors. So one drawer here like this, and for this part the double door, so cabinet double door like this. I'm going to change the handles because I want them to be all horizontal. So grid settings here, oh no, sorry, horizontal, and yeah, it's changed just like this. Now I need a cover plate. So I'm going to come here, cover plate. I'm going to drag and drop, but as it's a wet area, like I want the cover plate to go all the way here, I'm going to add 50 millimeters on the depth. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to put an overhang front of 50, 50, and then it's like this. You can see that it's going all the way to the front. Okay, I'm going to put just 750 of height because this would be for those sinks that are put above, not inside. Okay, but the dimensions are up to you. So let's put the wall unit that you could install a mirror. Okay, so 1000 here, it's the same. The height will also be 1000 and the depth will be only 200. Then you drag and drop. We're going to remove the baseboard because we don't need it, and then like that, and the height of 1000 like this. Okay, now we're going to apply two vertical partitions like this. We can already just adjust the material, so it's already here. We're going to just drag and drop, so like this. Okay, and then for the middle part we're going to adjust the width to 600, just like this. On those parts, the left and the right parts, we're going to have 3 shelves on each, and the middle part 2, like this. And then we can also place a door, so cabinet door left like this, and remove the handle because we don't need it, because it's to install a mirror later. And just like that, we have our design complete. If you have any questions about the design, please let me know. and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.